Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We are driving along St. Charles Avenue, one of New Orleans' most iconic streets. Famous for its wide, tree-lined median and elegant homes, this avenue stretches from the downtown area all the way into uptown, tracing the city's historical growth along the Mississippi River. St. Charles Avenue became prominent in the mid-19th century as wealthy families built stately mansions and grand homes in the area. The avenue was originally part of a plantation road, and over time it evolved into a showcase of architecture and civic pride. Today, it is celebrated for its beautiful live oak trees, many draped in Spanish moss, creating a picturesque canopy that changes with the seasons. One of the defining features of St. Charles Avenue is the streetcar line, which began operating in 1873. This line, the oldest continuously operating streetcar route in the world, helped shape the neighborhoods along the avenue, making them accessible and desirable for residents. Riding along it today, you can still see the historic streetcars gliding past grand mansions, churches, and universities. The avenue is home to some of the city's most remarkable architectural styles, including Greek Revival, Italianate, and Victorian mansions. Many homes are set behind wrought iron fences with meticulously landscaped gardens, reflecting the affluence and artistic tastes of their original owners. St. Charles Avenue also plays a key role in the city's cultural life. It serves as the main route for many Mardi Gras parades, a tradition that dates back to the late 19th century. Each year, locals and visitors line the avenue to watch floats pass under the shade of these historic trees, a living connection between past and present. Despite its grandeur, St. Charles Avenue remains a functional, vibrant part of the city. Students from Tulane University and Loyola University walk along the sidewalks, families enjoy leisurely strolls, and the streetcars continue to ferry residents and tourists alike. It's a street where history, daily life, and New Orleans' unique charm intersect beautifully. Driving here, it's easy to appreciate why St. Charles Avenue is not just a road, but a symbol of the city's resilience, elegance, and cultural heritage. Every tree, home, and streetcar tells a story, inviting you to experience New Orleans at its most timeless and picturesque. Thanks for watching!